Master these skills to achieve riches. Welcome to a game-changing episode where we're about to unravel the secrets that turn dreams into dollars. Today, we're diving deep into the essence of success, skills that open the door to riches and sculpt you into the kind of person who attracts prosperity effortlessly. Let's unlock the vault to a richer you. Number 1. Soft skills. It's the silent architects that underpin every achievement. These interpersonal abilities, encompassing communication, emotional intelligence and adaptability, transcend industry boundaries. They're the invisible threads stitching together the fabric of success, propelling individuals to the pinnacle of their careers. Think of soft skills as the X factor, setting the stage for meaningful connections, efficient teamwork and enduring success. Whether navigating a boardroom negotiation or collaborating on a creative project, these skills play a pivotal role in shaping accomplishment. 2. Technical skills. The tangible building blocks of expertise. Mastery in coding, graphic design or statistical analysis is akin to wielding a magic wand of capability in a world dominated by technology and innovation. These skills provide the concrete know-how to transform visions into reality, contributing to the advancement of industries and societies. As the digital landscape evolves rapidly, technical skills becomes the leader guiding individuals through uncharted territories, ensuring them to navigate complexities with confidence. Unlocking the potential of technical skills requires a deep dive into the intricacies of various domains. From learning coding languages to the precision of graphic design tools, each facet contributes to the arsenal of a modern-day professional. These skills not only empower individuals to create, innovate and solve complex problems but also position them as invaluable contributors in the digital age. 3. Entrepreneurship skills. Creating wealth starts with thinking like an entrepreneur. They are like visionaries who find new opportunities, take risks and turn ideas into successful ventures. To be a successful entrepreneur, you need to be smart, adaptable and never give up on your goals. Not just following trends, it's creating them and seeing possibilities where others see problems. Whether you're starting your own business or bringing an entrepreneurial mindset to your job, these skills are essential for navigating the ever-changing world of business and achieving financial success. Entrepreneurship is a journey of learning and growth. You'll need to constantly seek new challenges, embrace failures as learning opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. This mindset involves being open to innovation, staying curious and always looking for ways to improve. Successful entrepreneurs also understand the value of building a strong network and collaborating with others who share their vision. 4. Communication skills. Being successful is all about talking and connecting with others in a clear and meaningful way. Communication skills include not just what you say, but also how you say it and how well you listen. Whether you're negotiating deals, leading a team or talking to clients, being good at communication is super important. Mastering this means being clear, convincing and understanding other people's feelings. In a world where we're always talking to each other, getting better at these skills is really important for building relationships, making things happen and creating opportunities to make more money. Communication skills go beyond words. They involve body language, tone and the ability to convey emotions effectively. Being a great communicator also means knowing your audience and tailoring your message to resonate with them. In professional settings, it's being concise and impactful, whether it's in a meeting, presentation or written communication. Listening is a crucial component of communication, and being an active listener helps build rapport and understanding. 5. Sales skills. Making money often involves selling something, and that's where sales skills come in. It's understanding what people need, building relationships and persuading them in a friendly way. Good salespeople can figure out what problems someone has and offer solutions that really help. They're great at talking to people, understanding them and handling any concerns they might have. Whether you're selling a product, a service or even your ideas, getting good at sales is key. It's creating connections that help you succeed in the long run. Sales skills involve building trust and establishing long-term relationships with clients. Successful salespeople focus on understanding the needs of their customers and offering solutions that genuinely add value. This involves asking insightful questions, actively listening to customer feedback and adapting your approach to different personalities. Effective sales professionals also understand the importance of follow-up and maintaining connections even after the initial transaction. Being able to handle objections gracefully and address concerns with empathy is a crucial aspect of salesmanship. 6. Leadership skills. Leadership is like being the captain of a ship, guiding everyone to success. Good leaders inspire others, make smart decisions and work well with different kinds of people. Not just telling people what to do, but showing them the way and working together to achieve big goals. Even if you're leading a small group or just yourself, having leadership skills is important for steering towards success in a world that's always changing. This skill involves more than just giving orders. They require the ability to inspire and motivate a team toward a shared vision. Successful leaders lead by example, demonstrating integrity, resilience, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Being a good leader means fostering a positive and collaborative work environment, where everyone feels valued and motivated. Effective leaders are also skilled decision-makers, able to analyze situations and consider different perspectives. Communication is a key aspect of leadership, requiring the ability to convey a clear vision and provide guidance to the team. 7. Problem-solving skills. Making money involves solving problems, and problem-solving is like being a superhero in the business world. Thinking smart and never giving up, even when things get tough. People who are good at this skill can figure out what's really causing an issue and come up with a plan to fix it. Whether it's a problem at work, with money, or just everyday challenges, being a good problem solver is really important. Being creative, thinking carefully, and never letting problems get in the way of your success. Problem-solving skills are about more than fixing immediate issues. They involve a proactive approach to anticipating and preventing challenges. Successful problem solvers are critical thinkers who can analyze situations, identify root causes, and develop effective solutions. Creativity is a key component, allowing individuals to think outside the box and come up with innovative approaches to complex problems. Resilience is another crucial aspect, as setbacks are inevitable, and the ability to bounce back and learn from failures is essential. Effective problem solvers also consider the long-term impact of their solutions and strive for sustainable outcomes. Join our blog, BraylenAV.com, for access to expert tips, the latest updates, and a treasure trove of knowledge. Come along for the ride. We'll see you there. 8. Data analysis skills. Being proficient in data analysis involves using tools like spreadsheets and specialized software to organize and interpret data effectively. Successful analysts also possess a curious mindset, always asking questions and seeking to uncover hidden patterns. Attention to detail is paramount, ensuring accuracy in the interpretation of data. Communication skills come into play when presenting findings to others, making complex information understandable and actionable. In the ever-evolving landscape of business, staying up to date with the latest data analysis techniques and tools is essential for leveraging this skill effectively. Data analysis isn't just about understanding the past, it's predicting future trends and making decisions to achieve financial success. 9. Strategic planning skills. The roadmap to success. It's the ability to see the big picture, identify opportunities, and navigate challenges with a clear strategy. Whether you're planning the growth of a business or mapping out your personal path, having these skills is essential. It's setting a course for long-term success and adapting as needed along the way. Strategic planning involves assessing the current situation and developing action plans to achieve them. Successful planners also consider potential obstacles and have contingency plans in place. Adaptability is another important trait, allowing strategic planners to adjust their plans in response to changing circumstances. In the dynamic landscape of business and life, strategic planning is an ongoing process of assessment, adjustment, and continuous improvement. Mastering this skill is essential for steering toward financial success with purpose and clarity. 10. Creativity skills. Thinking outside the box, finding innovative solutions, and approaching challenges with a fresh perspective. Successful creative thinkers can come up with new ideas, whether it's for product development, marketing strategies, or problem solving. Whether you're in a creative industry or not, having strong creativity skills is key. It's about being imaginative and turning ideas into reality, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Creativity involves cultivating a mindset that embraces curiosity and welcomes experimentation. Successful creative thinkers are not afraid to take risks and challenge the status quo. Collaboration is often a catalyst for creativity, as different perspectives contribute to richer ideas. In a world where innovation drives success, honing creativity skills is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for achieving financial success and making a meaningful impact. 11. Critical thinking skills. Like having a built-in truth detector. It's questioning, analyzing, and forming well-reasoned judgments. Successful critical thinkers can evaluate situations objectively and consider multiple perspectives. Whether you're solving problems, making strategic plans, or assessing opportunities, having strong critical thinking skills is crucial. It's being discerning and basing decisions on evidence and logic. This skill involves a systematic approach to problem solving, starting with defining the issue and gathering relevant information. Successful critical thinkers are open-minded, willing to consider different viewpoints and adapt their thinking based on new evidence. Communication skills play a role in expressing well-founded arguments and influencing others through logical reasoning. 12. Financial forecasting skills. Predicting future financial trends and making decisions based off it. Successful forecasters can analyze historical data, identify patterns and project future financial scenarios. Whether you're managing personal finances or making business decisions, having strong financial forecasting skills is essential. It's balancing the books and anticipating opportunities and challenges. This involves using historical data and relevant economic factors to make predictions about future outcomes. Successful forecasters pay attention to market trends, economic indicators, and other factors that may impact performance. Attention to detail is crucial for accuracy in projections, and proficiency in financial modeling tools is often necessary. 13. Delegation skills. Like having a super efficient team at your disposal. Entrepreneurs are visionaries who find new opportunities, take risks and turn ideas into successful ventures. To be successful, you need to be smart, adaptable and never give up on your goals. Being proficient in delegation involves understanding the strengths of your team members and assigning tasks accordingly. Successful leaders know how to communicate and provide the necessary resources for their team to succeed. Effective delegation is distributing tasks, empowering team members and fostering a culture of collaboration. Time management is crucial, ensuring that tasks are assigned efficiently and deadlines are met. 14. Personal productivity skills. The secret sauce to getting things done. It's the ability to manage time, set priorities and accomplish tasks efficiently. Whether you're an entrepreneur shaping the future or someone striving for personal success, having strong personal productivity skills is essential. It's completing tasks and maximizing your potential and achieving your goals. The rich also know the importance of focus, minimizing distractions and staying organized. Prioritization is a key aspect, ensuring that the most important tasks are tackled first. Adaptability is important, allowing individuals to adjust their strategies when faced with unexpected challenges. 15. Mindful decision-making skills. The ability to make thoughtful and intentional decisions in a world full of distractions. Successful decision-makers can evaluate options, consider consequences and make choices aligned with their values. Whether you're navigating complex business decisions or personal choices, having this skill is crucial. Being present in the moment, making decisions with clarity and steering toward financial success. Mindful decision-making involves being aware of your thoughts and emotions, especially in high-pressure situations. Successful decision-makers take the time to reflect, considering the long-term impact of their choices. Open-mindedness is crucial, allowing individuals to consider different perspectives and adapt their decisions when necessary. In a world where rapid decision-making is often the norm, mastering this is being choices that contribute to long-term financial success. 16. Stress management skills. The ability to navigate pressures, stay resilient and maintain well-being. More than just coping with stress, it's thriving in the face of adversity and safeguarding your path to financial success. Stress management involves recognizing stressor, developing healthy coping mechanisms, and maintaining a balance between work and personal life. Successful individuals know the importance of self-care, incorporating activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Time management is also crucial for this, ensuring that there's dedicated time for rest and rejuvenation. Stress management is surviving challenges, thriving and maintaining a clear path toward financial success. 17. Presentation skills. Being proficient in presentation involves more than just speaking. It's engaging your audience, conveying ideas clearly and leaving a lasting impression. Successful presenters know how to structure their content, use visual aids effectively and tailor their message to the audience. Confidence is crucial, allowing presenters to connect with their audience and build trust. Adaptability is important, enabling presenters to adjust their approach based on the context and feedback. In the dynamic world of business and communication, staying up to date with presentation techniques and technologies is essential for leveraging this skill effectively. It's conveying information, influencing decisions and contributing to financial success. 18. Financial negotiation skills. Financial negotiation skills are like having a strategic toolkit for securing favorable outcomes. To be a successful entrepreneur, You need to be smart, adaptable, and never give up on your goals. Following trends. Creating them and seeing possibilities where others see problems. Whether you're starting your own business or bringing an entrepreneurial mindset to your job, this skill is essential for navigating the ever-changing world of business and achieving financial success. Being proficient in this involves understanding the dynamics of money transactions and securing advantageous terms. Successful negotiators know how to communicate effectively, build rapport, and understand the motivations of all parties involved. Reaching an agreement. Creating mutually beneficial outcomes that contribute to long-term growth. Attention to detail is crucial, ensuring that financial agreements are comprehensive and clear. In the dynamic world of financials, staying adaptable and open to creative solutions is essential for leveraging money negotiation skills effectively. It's reaching deals, crafting agreements that pave the way for sustained financial prosperity. 19. Storytelling skills. Storytelling skills are like having a captivating narrative for your journey. It's the ability to convey ideas, connect with others, and leave a lasting impression. Whether you're an entrepreneur sharing your vision or an individual shaping your personal brand, having strong storytelling skills is essential. It's conveying information and influencing decisions. Storytelling also involves crafting a narrative that resonates with your audience, evokes emotions, and communicates a clear message. Successful storytellers know how to structure their stories, use compelling language, and tailor their message to the context. Narrating events. Creating a narrative that captivates, inspires, and aligns with your goals. Authenticity is crucial, allowing storytellers to connect with their audience on a deeper level. In the dynamic world of communication, staying adaptable and open to incorporating feedback is essential for leveraging storytelling skills effectively. It's sharing information, creating narratives that influence perceptions and contribute to success. 20. Learning to unlearn skills. Like having a mental reset button for personal and professional growth. Being proficient in this involves recognizing outdated beliefs, habits, and perspectives that may hinder progress. The rich know how to challenge their assumptions, embrace new ways of thinking, and continuously evolve. It's about acquiring new knowledge, letting go of outdated mental frameworks to make room for innovation and growth. Reflection is crucial, allowing individuals to assess their beliefs and unlearn those that no longer serve them. Staying adaptable and open to unlearning is essential for leveraging these skills effectively. Learning to unlearn is acquiring new skills, cultivating a mindset that fosters continuous adaptation and contributes to sustained financial success. A comprehensive exploration of the skills that pave the way to riches, distilled into actionable insights that can transform your life. Accumulating wealth is becoming the kind of person who attracts and sustains success. As you embark on this journey, choose a skill or two to master and implement in your daily life. Whether it's honing your financial literacy, enhancing communication, or developing an innovative mindset, each skill is a stepping stone toward the life you envision. We encourage you to reflect on the potential within you. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about customizing these skills to fit your unique path. Keep in mind that success is a continuous evolution, and the mastery of these skills is an ongoing process. So go out there, implement what you've learned, and let these skills be the catalyst for the riches and fulfillment you deserve. Stay inspired, keep mastering, and remember that the journey to riches is not just the destination, but the person you become along the way. Keep thriving.